This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about cake pans, specifically these Lux aluminum Springform pans. And if you haven't used a Springform pan before, it might be something new to you. It typically consists of two pieces. There's a base, which is inside, and a ring around the edge. And you can see this has a nice little latch here. You just unhook it. And the bottom of the pan will come right out. And you might be wondering, what do I use these for? Well, there's a lot of uses for Springform pans. And they're very, very versatile, and they're great for delicate items like cheesecakes where you might want to do a crust at the bottom and you need to be able to lift that out. And it's great to have these sides that basically you can remove off and gently lift those delicate items out while they're still being supported by this base. You can remove them if you want to then later, but you don't have to. That way, if you have maybe a bake that didn't go so well, it can be nice and supported. They come in 3 different sizes. We have the 9-inch diameter, the 10-inch, and then there's also a 12-inch. And one thing that's really great about these specifically is that they have 3-inch high sides. So if you're looking to do some stuff with a really deep profile, these are fantastic for that. They're made of a nice aluminum alloy, so you can see they're a great light colored metal, and they're not coated, which will mean that you'll need to grease and prep your pans properly to make sure that your items release well. But it means that you have a nice light colored metal that's going to give you a nice soft, even heat, especially for things that need to bake a long time, like cheesecakes, right? You want that nice, soft, even distribution of heat so that you don't get a nice dark crust on the outside. Items don't crust over too early, or especially with things like cheesecakes, you can maintain those nice light colored sides for the perfect bake. Right? So this is going to help you achieve that, which is fantastic. And they're oven safe up to 500 degrees. Now, the latch is really nice and secure and tight. So you might notice to begin with, it's a little stiff. I just usually open and close mine a few times to get it working, but that's the intended purpose there, right? You want a nice tight closure to keep anything like a runny batter, like a cake or cheesecake from leaking out. And let's see, other things that you can do with these are things like deep dish pizzas or pasta dishes. You can do fancier cakes like torts and charlottes, where maybe you're using this as a mold and lining the edges with cakes, ladyfingers, and other things, and filling them with all sorts of delicious things like Bavarian creams. You can use them for things like ice cream cakes, trifles, even things like soda bread, where you might want to be able to remove those sides. And I like them personally for my upside down cakes, whether that's the traditional pineapple upside down or something different like mango or apple. They also have really great rolled edges, and they're made from a nice gauge metal. So these aren't going to warp, and they're going to be a really durable design that are going to be fantastic for repeated use. So whether you're a home cook that's looking to upgrade your equipment to some more sturdy, durable, reliable, professional level, or you're a pro just looking for something that's going to perform well over time in your kitchen, these are a nice option. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.